Looking for super affordable living? This is the lowest priced house here in Fort Walton Beach that I can put a VA loan on if you are a VA buyer. It is brick. It's brick. It's got a little bit of gardening already done. The numbers on this one is really good. The roof is new. It has a peach tree. Huge shed. I like this. This is good. The AC is nice and big.
You're here. He wants to see in there, Cassandra.
Yes.
Can he see it real quick? Go ahead.
All right.
Let's go. This baby is the most
Oh,
beautiful baby you've ever
he's a
seen.
little wonky wonk. But excuse the clutter. So this was the garage. It got turned into a bedroom. Hookups for the washer and dryer is in here. Original windows. Closet. HVAC. Closet. Good, the ceiling is good in here. So there's a lot going on in this room. Wallpaper. Carpets definitely need replacing. But this is the half bath. Good size bedroom. This one is definitely the smaller of the bedrooms.